Hands-on learning is way better than traditional learning because you actually apply information as you're getting it, which leads to way better retention and deeper understanding.
What we've seen as we're trying to help people learn our technologies is there are different kind of learners. You want to have some interaction, the ability to kind of have a guided resource.
But you also know for a fact that it's solving your problem rather than just reading something that says it will.
Getting hands-on experience is a lot easier than us telling you how things work. Sure. Right now you've done it once yourself.
So adoption is one of the most critical things to preventing churn. The faster they start using it and getting value out of it, the more they're going to stick with it.
With Instruqt, we can actually deploy in container environments. We can load specific data sets and configure specific scenarios that we want to guide our developers through.
Instruqt helps with the onboarding experience by allowing users to learn about the product in a safe and comfortable place.
They dive into a real workshop environment, and with the Instruqt platform we have these checks saying, okay, you've done all the correct things.
Which allows them to build confidence and they get to the value point as quickly as possible.
Get their hands dirty with these environments and really poke around in a safe space, really lets them feel more at ease, and they can feel a little bit more comfortable in coming up with their own questions and having some of their problems solved.
With Instruqt, every step of the way is validated.
By having a hands-on environment, especially one that verifies and tells them, yes, you did it right, then they feel confident in that they know what they're doing and that they've learned what they should have learned.
Another great part of the Instruqt platform is that it has a lot of metrics where they're perhaps dropping off, and also their user satisfaction scores. So we tune the experience if we're getting feedback of how we might improve.
We often hear from education teams that it's really difficult for them to communicate the impact of their work. With Instruqt, they're able to connect their efforts directly to revenue, retention, engagement, and even upsell.
Instruqt really got us much closer to our learners, and we had a much higher connection with our learners because they were playing with the product directly.
They can point to the customers that stay, and the customers that engage are the ones that completed their content.
Anything that can utilize a hands-on opportunity, we're going to get it into Instruqt.